Hey guys, hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some church's chicken. Supposedly they're supposed to have 6 pieces, dark, I think, dark spicy. See, yeah, seems like it's out there. Like, it just got delivered from DoorDash, so yeah. Never know with these type of stuff. Yeah. I gave 2 biscuits, and I don't know why they put this little apple pie in this big ass box. But yeah, they got that too. And I have some of their macaroni and cheese. Go ahead. It can come off. Have some of their macaroni and cheese. I'm not sure if it kind of looks somewhat apple cider than at least. And some of their mashed potatoes. A lot of gravy, it seems like they put in there. And here's my food. It looks good so far, but yeah. And it smells good. The only thing they didn't give me no silverware, so I came prepared. I got some hot sauce as well, and they gave me 3 jalapenos. If I can open it. Let's taste this first. Yeah, that's interesting. It's pretty good. Macaroni and cheese, it's like bland, but yeah. Interesting. I'm about to try this. It don't look like it's spicy at least. Alright, like beat it sick. That's good. It's still hot. It's good. And I have a Big Blue that I got from 7-Eleven too. That was hot as heck. I don't know what the heck. Excuse me. Yeah. Macaroni and cheese is not really good. It tastes like kind of everything else tastes pretty good so far. Go ahead. Y'all want their peppers. Hey, smell enough. Yeah. Might have to take a little intermission on that one. Dang. Yeah. Not gonna work. Yeah. That was interesting. My eye felt like it was about to fall out. What the hell? It was weird. I might be done with those peppers for a while. Interesting. Oh, dang. Okay, all these things. Yes, that. Okay. Okay. Interesting. It's good though. Chicken is at least. You remember when those peppers were good. I'm not gonna put it in my eye this time. Okay. Might as well use this little knife. To do that crap. I think I'm done with the chicken. Ooh, spicy. Yeah, I'm done with that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. God dang. This thing, Jolly Rancher soda, not making it better either. Ain't that some hot as heck? Maybe I should have just left it alone when I actually had the pepper squeeze in my eye. It was very interesting. Whew. Still hot. Water didn't do nothing, really. Church, if y'all know y'all wrong, this thing apple pie, excuse me, is empty as heck. There's like really nothing in there at all. Heck, but the crust tastes good. It's all right. Just thought it would be more fulfilling inside. Yeah, that soda ain't hitting. Yeah, I'm about over. This is like a fail. I still singing and my throat is about to fall off, I feel like, because it's burning. But I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm done. I'm out.